Do you feel that you are repeating the same life again and again? Have you ever sat in silence and wondered that why does this keep happening to me again and again? Why do I fall into the same patterns with different people? Why do I feel stuck no matter how hard I try to move forward? Why am I carrying the fears that don't make any sense to me? What if the answers weren't in this life? What if the root cause of your struggle goes far beyond this lifetime? In today's video, we are going to talk about the past life loops and how the Akashic Records holds the power to not just explain them, but free you from them now. So if you are that person who is living the same story of life again and again, this video is for you. So first let's understand that what is a past life loop and how does it affect you today. A past life loop is an energetic pattern that your soul has carried from previous incarnation. These loops aren't just punishments, they are opportunities of healing, growth and completion. But if you are unaware of them, they feel like an invisible trap. Let's break it down today. Imagine your soul lived a life where you were betrayed by someone you deeply trusted, a business partner, a spouse, a best friend. That experience was never emotionally resolved. And now in this life, you keep attracting betrayal, trust issues, fear of intimacy, fear of insecurity, and people aren't just loyal to you. And that's a loop from your past life. Let's take another example that if you have taken a vow of poverty, being a monk in a past life, you may struggle with wealth in this life because that life has ended and in this life you need money, but the money is bad for you because you've taken a vow. And now you think that I can never have enough money. So please understand, you're not broken. You're not unlucky. You are just operating under a soul contract. Now, all this information is in your spiritual database called Akashic Records. The Akashic Records help you step in the truth beyond this life, beyond your pain, beyond this single lifetime, but your soul reality. I'll give you some 7 real life signs that you are stuck in a past life loop. If you resonate with any one of them, tell me in the comment section. Number 1, you're attracting the same toxic people again and again. No matter how much you heal, how many boundaries you make, how many journalings you do, healing you do, you're into the same behavior showing up to you again and again. Number 2, you have strong fears that make no logic sense, like fear of drowning, fear of heights, fear of speaking in public. No traumatic event happened in this life, but you still feel the same. Number 3, you're drawn to specific cultures, eras, and countries. You may feel oddly emotional in certain places, looking at certain pictures, certain currencies, watching historical shows. You feel attraction and you don't know why. Number 4, your struggle with money, visibility, abundance is real. You can't break through. Even though you're doing the right things, nothing is happening right in your life. Number 5, you experience intense emotions during spiritual work. You cry, you shout, you release, you shake because you are not able to break through, and that pain needs to come out of your body. Number 6, you repeat the same career block and burnout. No matter this job, that job, this city, that city, this country, this boss, that boss, you are always in fear. Something or the other operates into your life and you're not happy with your work. Number 7, you've always felt that you are an old soul, like you are here to do something bigger, but you don't know what is that big thing. By the way, this also applied to me 10 years back. So if you resonate with any, write in the comments. So now how Akashic Records can help you break this loop. Number 1, clarity of intention. You start asking, what do I need to know about this pattern? What is the origin of this fear? What is the origin of this block? Number 2, you start receiving insights. As you believe in your records reflect and start giving you insights. It's very important to have an Akashic record reading, to have that complete story, your belief, your vow, your contract. Because if you don't know that why things are happening with you, trust me, you cannot resolve it. Because Akashic records are not here to tell you your current experience, but it is here to tell you What happened? Why this clarity is not there in your life? You want a shift, and Akashic Records is here for you. So now, story time. So I'm going to share a case again with you. So I once worked with a woman who had deep fear of abandonment, and she's very, very close to me. She always felt that he is going to leave me, his husband is going to leave her, and everybody around is going to leave her, and she'll be left alone in the whole world without anybody. But that was not true. We discovered through her Akashic records in one of the century in France, her husband was taken away during a war and she never recovered emotionally. Her soul has carried that grief and a vow that I will never let myself love again. It's too painful. Now it is her husband or her daughter or her in-law. She always feel abandoned. That wow echoed in her life so many times unless she chose to heal. The past never defines us unless we choose to heal and come out of that loop. So if you think you are in a loop, begin a self inquiry now. When did this begin? What belief I'm carrying? Explore your records through a guided meditation or through a reading. Understand everything about your past life. Stay open and curious. If you're not curious about your life, if you are not open to receive the answers, you will be blocked. So if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and comment below anything and everything you feel about this video. And I'm going to answer each and every one of you. And if you are keen to book an Akashic record reading, the link is given in the description box. You can directly book it from the website www.sanskritiseti.com or connect with my team on WhatsApp number. Let's break free. See you in your Akashic record.